Some 3.3 million Americans went from job security to no job at all in 1 week, the worst unemployment claims figure ever recorded, showing just how fast the effect of this coronavirus shutdown has been in the US.
The nays are zero.
The White House knew the numbers were going to be bad and told US workers that relief is on the way. That $2 trillion plus package has passed the Senate and is set to pass the US House of Representatives. With minor disagreements, US politicians know the need is great.
This is an emergency, a challenge to the conscience as well as the budget of our country. And every dollar that we spend is an investment in the lives and the livelihood of the American people. We can go bigger.
The White House, meanwhile, sent a letter to governors saying the administration is working on labelling different parts of the US at high, medium or low geographical risk from the coronavirus, a move that could see some social and economic restrictions lifted in some areas.
They have to go back to work. Our country has to go back. Our country is based on that. And I think it's going to happen pretty quickly. A lot of progress is made, but we got to go back to work.
And are we seeing the beginning of a global multilateral response? The US president joined his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping and many others in a video conference to address the crisis. The leaders issued a statement saying they will focus on protecting lives, safeguarding people's jobs and incomes, restoring confidence, preserving financial stability, reviving growth and recover stronger, minimise disruptions to trade and global supply chains, provide help to all countries in need of assistance, and coordinate on public health and financial measures. Here in the US, despite the US president's optimism, there are still shortages of vital equipment like face masks, ventilators and hospital beds. And it's not just New York. States like Louisiana are showing big spikes in cases that need critical care. The US is about to face its biggest test when it comes to fighting this virus. Nathan King, CGTN at the White House.